Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube and I have a fun Easter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to make a gingham Easter sign using some free printables that I designed. I will share those down in the comments below today's video. A Dollar Tree sign that has the three parts and some of their little wood ornament shapes. I have an Easter bunny, a chick, and a carrot. And I just filled in the hanger holes with a little bit of spackle, and then I'm using a pencil to sketch out the shape on my cardstock. This was such an easy DIY to make. I wanted to do a silhouette of each one of these little Easter shapes, but have them be in different colors of gingham. I think gingham is so pretty for Easter and just perfect. So yellow, of course, for the chick, and we're gonna do the carrot in orange. And we're just gonna do the entire silhouette in the same color to make it easier. And for the Easter bunny, we're gonna do it in a blue gingham. I designed this gingham to be like a tiny gingham, so it works really well for small shapes like this. And then we're just gonna go ahead and start putting this all together. A Mod Podge for the cardstock. I love using Mod Podge and cardstock together because you don't get that wrinkling that you do with thinner paper. And it holds up really well. You don't really even have to wait for it to dry to be able to seal it on top with more Mod Podge. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. One coat of Mod Podge over the top of these, and these little shapes are ready to go. I want to put one of these on each one of the little whiteboard signs. This is one of the ones that is cut and split, and I really love this. What a great blank from the Dollar Tree. I just used hot glue to attach our shapes. I did bunny, carrot, and a chick at the bottom. So simple and so cute for Easter. Now the next Easter DIY I have for you today is a gingham Easter pillow DIY. Now I have crafted with these before. These are the little pillow color covers from the Dollar Tree. This one's going to be really simple because we're actually going to use it for what it is meant to be, a pillow cover. But as you can see, they come in a couple of different colors and I think a couple different varieties of them as well. I'm just going to use a pillow that I got on clearance at Dollar General. I had a Christmas pillow cover on there, and let's just make this a seasonal pillow. They are a little wrinkled the way they are folded up in there. You can iron them if you want, or they should straighten out pretty well if you have a fluffy enough pillow in there. And then I'm just going to add a fun bunny tail to mine with a white pom-pom from one of the little craft kits here on front. Now, if you're going to lay your head on there, you might not want that pom-pom, but I think it's really cute for decor purposes. And I love gingham for Easter. I think it's so sweet. If you would like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.